Hey guys, what's up? It's AppleCritics from AppleCritics.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the latest update for tvOS for the Apple TV, which is 13.4. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you everything what's new and first how to update to it. So when you're on your Apple TV, you're just going to simply hit the menu button. And then you're going to scroll all the way down to settings. And once you go to settings, you're simply going to click on it. Then you're going to go to where it says system. And then you're going to scroll down to software updates. And then automatically update will be enabled, but for update software, you're going to want to update it. So currently you can see that I'm on 13.3.1 and the build number is 17K795. So all you have to do is just simply press update software. And then it'll update to tvOS. So it's going to say that there's an update available for 13.4 and has a build number of 17L256. And it's asking, do you want to download and install it now? And it may take some time to complete. And it says, do not unplug the Apple TV while it downloads, updates, restarts, and then installs the update. So what we're going to do is just simply press OK. And then it'll begin to download the software. And now it's on to step 1 of 2, it's preparing the update. So the Apple TV is currently resetting and now it's loading up. So now you can see that the Apple TV did boot up. And now you can go back into settings. And now what we can do is go to the system again and go to software updates. And now you'll see that'll be on tvOS 13.4. So you can take a look right here. And that build number is 17L256 now. So you can see it did work. Now the tvOS updates in 13.4 are very minor. They focus on the under the hood bug fixes and improvements, rather than any major UI outward facing changes. Now tvOS 13.4 does introduce some small design changes to streamline the overall look of tvOS 13.4, and it does add the family sharing integration so users can access iTunes content purchased by family members without having to leave the app. So those are the main features in tvOS 13.4. Now, some people are reporting that they did have issues with the subtitled size on the Netflix app, and it didn't respect the settings that was put, and it would just always revert. So that was a problem they had for 2 months, and now this beta finally fixed it. Now, there also was an issue in settings before under remote devices. And that issue was with the touch surface tracking, so it's currently set to medium. So tvOS 13.4 fixes it. Before it was automatically set to fast on 13.3.1, but now it's back to medium. So that's a small issue with the touch surface tracking that was actually fixed. So that has to do with the remote for the Apple TV. Now overall, tvOS 13.4 is a lot more snappier compared to 13.3.1. I could easily get through all the apps and see what everything has to offer here. So I really do like that it's a lot more snappy than 13.3.1. And that's something that I definitely noticed right away. So thanks for watching this video on tvOS 13.4. Please be sure to subscribe, like this video. Please be sure to smash the like button down below so know you watched. Also be sure to check out other videos on my channel. Be sure to check out AppleCritics.com for your Apple news, reviews, and more. Like my Facebook fan page at facebook.com/AppleCritics. And be sure to follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/AppleCritics. And once again, follow me on Instagram at instagram.com/AppleCritics. And be sure to subscribe for more great content. This was Apple Critics, and thanks for watching.